Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can join a group in Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, it's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. Now the first thing first, we're going to open up our Roblox app. Make sure it's an updated version, and then you're going to sign in. Once you have signed in, right away you will find this kind of interface. You can see home, charts, avatar, party, and more. Now for you to join a group, you should be able to see this party option. If you go there, you can also go ahead and join a communities, which is also the part of the group forming. You can see there is already an existing one. I can just say something and join it. Otherwise, I can go to the home section again, and when you access it via the website, you shall also be able to access an option called groups. Once you tap on it, if you have created your friend group, you will find the groups as well over there. Otherwise, if you have created a group itself in your home screen, it will also be listed on top. You're gonna go ahead, choose the group that you want to be in, and you can do it. If it's a free access, then you will get access. Otherwise, you might even have to request it. It will differ according to the privacy of the group itself who have created, and that is basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.